Boom, welcome back everybody. It's your boy Daily Dose of Love. So welcome back to the channel. Welcome back. Hope everyone's having a great day, man. It is a beautiful day. It is December. I'm not sure what today's date is, but I feel like normally it would be freezing out here. It'd be cold. And it is like mid 50s today. So what that means is we're gonna be doing an install on the Lexus today, man. Super excited. Let me start off with that, man. It has been a while since I've been able to bring you guys any Lexus content, any install videos, and that's just because I'm at my parents' house today, and it is cold. It has been cold, man. So because of that reason, we haven't been really able to work. I need access to a shop, man, to be able to work in the winter, in the cold times. But nonetheless, let's see what we can get into. So for today's video, let me tell you guys what we have going on and today's expectations. So the Lexus, I love it. It's been great. Interior room is great. It's super comfortable. But for me, the setup as far as my cell phone, being able to have a place to put my phone, and really just so when we're off wheeling and stuff, the phone, you know, isn't moving, the iPad, the GoPro, all that good stuff isn't flying, right? Navigation. We're gonna have to find a way to set this all up. So because of that, we're gonna be doing an install today. So that is the expectation. We're gonna install the dash mount on the Lexus, and from Expedition Essentials, let me get it right. And then for those that do have a Lexus, stick around. We'll drive around with it for a little bit and give you guys a insight of what to expect, what it would look like from my point of view, essentially. So let's see what we can get into, and hopefully we don't drill too far into the dash and mess anything up, because I'll tell you what, I'm sure this thing is not cheap to fix. So in 3, 2, 1, let's get today's episode started.
Yeah, one more time around. Everything's slowing down, can't control it. Say that you're for me. Right now I need loyalty. It's hard for me to trust you. I've been in before this, I've been through the troubles. It's hard to let you in, I've been giving you the runaround. I double on the dosage, I don't need emotion, no. Right now we young and we dumb and we lit.
Alright guys, so hope you guys enjoyed the little clip of the interior of the Lexus and kind of what it looks like and whatnot. But here's the reason why we're doing the install, to kind of give you guys an overview and whatnot. And again, this is just more so my take on the interior. So you guys can see, here's the screen, whatever, it's got fingerprints all over it. So here's where my phone normally sits right now, which is here. Not a big fan of that. And then of course it's got the cup holders here, but as you guys can see, it just kind of makes it difficult when it comes to the cup holders. But then it becomes where I put my phone, and down there in that little cubby space isn't really very convenient and whatnot. And so that's why we're going to be installing the wow, let's learn how to speak. The Expedition Essentials dash mount on the Lexus, and we went with option B, which is going to allow us to hopefully support the phone, the GoPro, the iPad mini, or whatever else we decide to run up here. So we're going to be running the RAM mounts that were in the 4Runner before, so we didn't have to purchase those. What we did was purchase the dash mount. So let's go ahead and get started with that. So first thing first, let's go ahead and unbox this thing and show you guys kind of what to expect with it, what it looks like and whatnot, and we'll kind of go from there. All right guys, so let's go ahead and, of course, as usual, let's go ahead and open up the box, kind of see what we're getting into, what we have, what came in the box and whatnot. So let's get started there. Boom, here we go, got the box. Let's go ahead and pop this bad boy open real quick. Expedition Essentials is what we got going on. So let's see here. Hopefully this is not no sort of invoice of any sort. And be careful guys. Don't put things sharp on the seats. Might cut them up. Granted, let me kind of adjust this. Here we go. Granted, I'll do my best to not ruin my leather seats here, but super excited about it. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Left my knife inside the house, my pocket knife, so we're using a box knife today. But be careful. Also, don't cut towards you, cut away from you. But let's see. Alright, so we ordered the Expedition Essentials track adapter plate with the diamond mount. So we got 4 of those. to add to the track mount. And then we got the LEXUS GX460 dash accessory mount, configuration B. I think I said something different in the previous clip, so I apologize if I called it something else. So, ooh, these are well packaged. Look at this. Oh man, you know, I'm a big fan of packaging and the way it's set up and whatnot, so they got me. Look at this. Got the little track plate, little T-bar mounts with the little bolts for it, ready to roll. Look at this. Boy, out here, we got 4 of them. So essentially the goal is to run the my cell phone, the GoPro, the iPad for navigation and Gaia and whatnot, and then depending on how it's set up, run my lady's phone too. So that's the plan again. Oh, we've got a little sticker. Let's take a look at it. Ooh, awesome, awesome. This must be the mount, so let's take a look at it here. Hey, quick shout out to these guys, man. They got the sticker. I mean, they got their own tape, man, with the logo on it. Super fancy, man. Super fancy. Love it. Let's open this bad boy up. What do we got? What do we got? Let's see here. Look at this. Grade A. What is wrapping, man? Like I've always said. Grade A. So, boom. Look at this bad boy. Super clean. I try to whistle, Jones. Catch that. Look at this. Nice. Super nice. So, here's what we got. So, let me go ahead and show you. You know what? Let me give you guys a little view of this bad boy. Ooh. Yikes. Nice. Very nice. Very nice. So, this will essentially sit on the dash in there. So, it looks like, here's where it gets scary, guys. To drill 1 hole, 2 holes, 3 holes, 4 holes into the dash, man. So, not really sure how I feel about it. I'm kind of scared, I ain't gonna lie to you guys, but we did do it in the 4Runner, which that was kind of scary because, again, we're just drilling, right? But why not? Let's go ahead and do it, man. This is how committed I am to the LEXUS, man. We're drilling in the dash. This thing isn't coming out. If we're trading this in, or if anything ever happens to this thing is not coming out. Well, I guess it could come out, right? But the plan is not to have to take it out. So let's go ahead and move into the LEXUS, and let's go ahead and go get the drill and the proper drill bits so we can go ahead and get started on this bad boy. Alright guys, so here's what I've done is I went ahead and, as you can see, put a little bit of blue tape here and marked it off, painter's tape, and essentially this is where this bad boy is going to go, just like that. So that is the expectation. So now we get to drill. What do you guys think, man? I don't know, man. I'm kind of scared. I ain't gonna lie to you guys. So first one is we got the 1/8 drill bit on here, and this bad boy. Again, these 4 holes that go here, guys, it's into plastic. It's very thin plastic, so really just take your time and no pressure, really. Just because you don't want to screw into any of these buttons and then ruin your dash. So let's go ahead and give that a try. You know what? I might do the top ones first just to kind of help me figure out where I'm at. And then I'm going to use this packaging that came with it to kind of just lay up here, so I don't get the plastic or hit the plastic with this drill gun. But let's get started, I guess, huh?
First one, good to go. That was kind of scary. Moving on to the second one.
There we go, guys. First 2 holes are in. Wish me luck, guys. I apologize. I'm a bit of a warrior sometimes when it comes to the type of stuff, so that's why I'm putting all this little perforated stuff in here, whatever you call this packaging material. Alright guys, here goes nothing. Alright guys, the holes are officially drilled. Boy, that was scary. I ain't gonna lie to you guys. I don't know about you guys. If you guys were cringing while you were watching this at home, I was actually really scared that I was going to mess up and the drill was going to go too far in and just drill straight into what is the buttons. And I'm not sure how much this piece has cost, this whole navigation setup, but I'm sure it is not cheap compared to what, you know, I've seen a lot of. Let's turn this off real quick, guys. Sorry about that. Because of the simple, oh my gosh, because of the simple fact of how much Toyota Lexus stuff costs, right? Give me a sec here, guys. Let me walk away from the car so the key fob will stop beeping for us, because it's gonna drive me crazy. I'll be right back. All right, guys, there we go. Got it. Had to unlock and relock the car, and I think that's the only way to do it. It's that like system to let you know there's someone in the back, a child. I don't have a child, but if you do have a child, please don't forget your kids in the back. Why do we have to create a, what do you call it? Some sort of reminder to let you know there's things in the back seat. Not things, children. What? Nonetheless, guys, that is configuration A. So for those that are wanting to go ahead and continue to watch the video, we're going to go ahead and do the arms that will give us more support. But if not, that's how you set up configuration A. But let's go ahead and move on to the second part. Actually, let's go ahead and install the actual piece, and then we'll move on to installing the little wings that support the heavier stuff. Let's do that now. All right, guys, you know what? Change of plans in today's video. I've got the mount set up here, as you guys can see. It's actually really sturdy. It feels really sturdy. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm actually quite pleased with it. So, I'm actually not gonna install configuration B. I'm gonna save that for another video. What I'm gonna do for you guys is I'm gonna go ahead and install the track and everything for the cell phone, the GoPro, and the other cell phone and the iPad, and we'll see, right? I'm gonna test it for a little bit with the cell phone, the GoPro, the other cell phone, or whatever, right? Whatever setup I decide to go with, I'm gonna test it for a little bit, drive with it, and see if it's really needed for heavier things, right? If it is, then we'll go ahead and make a second part to this video and add the configuration B to it. And if it's not needed, then I guess it's not needed. You know what I mean? I think it's two things. The reason why: one, I kind of just like how clean it looks, you know, without it. Let's look at it real quick. Super nice. I love the cleanup. I love how easy it looks, or how streamlined it looks. And not that I don't want to install the other ones, but I do just like this setup for right now. So let's go ahead and do that, and then, like I said, if configuration B is really needed, we'll throw that on. But in the meantime, let's go install the tracks real quick. Real quick, simple way, guys. What you do is just pull this cap off the end of the rail, grab these little supplied T-rail nuts, it looks like, and then just slide these bad boys in there. And then they give you this little fancy little ram mount piece, goes in there like that. Kind of sits on there nicely. And then what you do with the supplied hardware that they provide, there's going to be two little Phillip head screws. Just throw these bad boys on there like that. There you go, and then just adjust them to where you'd like. So alright, guys, I don't know where my hat went. It's around here somewhere, hopefully. I don't honestly know, but anyways, so we got the dash mount set up. Ooh, it's kind of sunny out here, boys. But we're gonna drive around the block real quick, kind of see what we think about it. Boy, the sun is beating on us. The sun is setting out west, so that's the side of town we're on right now, so kind of just makes it hard. But nonetheless, I'm kind of give you guys a little view of it, kind of see what it looks like from a driver view, and then we'll just kind of go from there, and then I'll go home and give you guys my final review on it. But let's take a look at it real quick. All right, guys, to give you my review, my first initial review. Do I like it? Yeah, I like it. It's really great. Could I fit 4 things on here? I could. It'd be a little overwhelming, I think. It'd be super heavy for the track bar than I think I would, or the dash mount. I think at that point 4 would require the configuration B setup. But I think it would be a lot going on at one point, which the setup I do like. I mean, it's very easy, very simple install compared to my Ragu fabrication on the 4Runner. That one was a little bit cumbersome compared to this. This is a lot easier, just drilling holes. It is a little scarier with this one than versus the other one. So I will say that. So installation, I'd give it a 1 star, very easy, I guess, as far as easy, or 1 star, easy install, 5 stars, hard. I give it a 1 star. It's very easy to install. Is that even how you just, I don't know. Anyways, that's what I would say. Second, very well put together. Packaging, product, the whole ordering of this, very, very simple, very easy. If I need something again, definitely would make it very easy to order from them. Other than that, I like it. I like the setup. As you can see here, looks quite good. Got the iPad mini, got the GoPro mount, cell phone, and my phone. So I think I just said that, but anyways, that was it. So like I said, I'll test it for a little bit, see if I do need the configuration B set up to allow for, something heavier. If we are driving, I don't know what else I'd put up here. The microphone mount for the Midland radio, that's going to go on the same setup as a 4Runner. That'll be on the seat rail, so that won't change. Other than that, like I said, would we put my lady's phone up here? Yes. How? I might find a way. I think RAM mount sells like a Y adapter to split it, maybe from the iPhone mount, or not the iPhone, but the iPad mount. Maybe split it off from there, so there's not 3 mounts on the trail itself. Then at that point, I definitely would maybe. At that point, I'm probably going to install configuration B just because of that reason. But nonetheless, let's go ahead and wrap this video up. So, with that being said, if you made it this far, I appreciate it, guys. Thank you guys for stopping by, and if y'all's got something from this, put it in the comments what you guys think. If you guys are a GX owner and looking to install it, I hope this helped you guys out. Like I said, I got more stuff coming for the Lexus, a lot of stuff. So stay tuned, subscribe if you haven't already. If this is something you're interested in and want to see more of, let me know. But I'm gonna get out of here. Gonna get to editing this video and get it uploaded for you guys. So in 3, 2, 1, continue to live your life. Peace. Hey, thank you guys for stopping by, for reals. All right, for reals. Peace.